So I woke up this morning and I woke up to this beautiful gift. Guess it's from who? Emirates. I know we all can't travel right now, but when Emirates remembers you, you just get those vibes of, I just want to go somewhere. And it's Mother's Day. So let's see what Emirates actually brought me. For those who have ever traveled with kids, you know how this is important. Dear Missy Popular, we at Emirates want to celebrate super moms in Tanzania with a little token of our appreciation. Here is to you this Mother's Day as you continue to inspire mothers and women all around the country through your passion for fashion and style and being a mom. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is a special note from Emirates.